Welcome back. Today we're talking about essential English vocabulary for beginners. Essential words are those frequently used words that are crucial for effective communication. Some high-frequency words you may see in English vocab are day, family, child, man, girl, woman, house, belief. More high-frequency words include year, world, place, time, question, picture, company, government. Now let's look at essential verbs, or also known as action words. Make, use, do, ask, come, know, how, get, see, think, look, want, give, find, tell, feel. More essential verbs include try, who, what, where, when, how, why, start. Now there's also adjectives, which are words we use to describe nouns. Here are some common ones. Big, small, good, bad, same, different, easy, hard. More adjectives include little, difficult, beautiful, important, old, new, tall, short. A few more essential adjectives are true, false, right, also a substitute for true, wrong, a substitute for false, interesting, boring. Let's take a look at adverbs. Adverbs, if you remember, modify verbs. They tell when, where, or how something is done. Some examples are actually, also, already, always, almost, again, finally, later, just. More essential adverbs include more, never, only, often, sometimes, then, there, together. Finally, we'll look at some essential phrases. These include phrases that may begin a sentence, a question, or something you would say in response to someone else. Examples are I think, I hope, I don't know, thank you, how are you, excuse me, please, I'm sorry, I'm busy, or I'm free. Thanks for watching. Come back next time for more content at Miss April's English.